The fuse of the Sole E35 looks like this, and it's on the back of a little compartment that has a little fuse icon on it, and that comes out of the power thing, and it kind of slides in like that. And to get it out, I unfortunately thought you had to disassemble the whole thing, but you don't. There's a little, like a little notch which you can just barely see, and you can use a screwdriver to kind of reach in there and pop it out. Okay, it pops out. And so if you're trying to replace that fuse, that's all you gotta do. You don't have to take the whole thing apart like I did. Just get a little screwdriver, reach in there, right behind the where the outlet goes in, and pop it out. Shout out to Dan at Fitness Technology Services, because his videos on this stuff were really helpful to me in trying to figure this stuff out, and he was really kind in responding to my question about this thing. I don't know why Sole doesn't have any reference to where this fucking fuse is in its manual, or why it's so hard to get it out. But anyway, that's where it is.